After conducting the SLP interview and the FBA, one of my biggest takeaways is ensuring there is collaboration with all service providers to be able to best support the students. What goes on in a speech session is just as important as what happens in the classroom. Collaboration and alignment of goals helps maintain consistency for the child so he or she can make great progress. So after conducting the FBA, I've learned that the FBA process takes time and should be done thoroughly. In my future work with individuals on the spectrum, documentation is very helpful when determining the functional behavior. As a psychologist is not in the classroom every day like a teacher is, it is important that my team and I document concerns and follow up with the team to develop ideas or solutions to best support the student with autism. In some instances, interviewing the student could provide more information about the student and how to best support the individual.